Have you ever wanted to get into agriculture or invest in Ghana but don't know how to or have the capital to do so? From as little as 120 Ghana cedis, you can become a farmer from the comfort of your own home with Grow For Me. You can sponsor a farm and grow crops such as maize, rice, soybean, pineapple and more. And you can generate profits from 5% up to 25%. With Grow For Me, we work with local farmers to provide them with the much needed resources to grow more. With your sponsorship, you can help change the narrative across Africa by ensuring food security for all. So what are you waiting for? In 3 simple steps, you can become a Grow For Me sponsor. Number 1, visit our website and choose a crop and pay for it. Number 2, sit back, relax, monitor the crop through our platform. Number 3, Grow For Me will harvest the items and we will trade on your behalf to generate returns for you. We'll then pay out to both you and the farmer. There's just a few last days remaining for you to sponsor maize as part of the current farming season for you to get back your payout before the end of the year. So don't delay, visit our website now.